So in this video, we're going to look at decimal division by a whole number. And just like the other decimal videos, we're going to, I'm going to show you how to do it by hand. But again, this is not something I generally do by hand, so I usually do it in my calculator. So if you have to divide decimals in this course, definitely you're allowed to use a calculator, so definitely go for the calculator. So for example, if we were trying to divide 2.82 divided by 3, so what I'm going to do is I like to do division by making the division box. Inside the box, I'm going to put the first number here, so 2.82. And the divisor, the 3, what I'm dividing by, is going to go outside the box. And then the first thing I'm going to do is, since inside the box I had a decimal point, I am going to put the decimal point up here. And then I'm going to compare the 3 with the first number. So 3 is bigger than 2, which means my first division has to look at the first two numbers. So I'm going to figure out how many times does 3 go into 28, and 3 goes into 28 9 times. 9 times 3 is actually 27, and I'm going to subtract, so I get a 1. And then I have to bring down this 2 as well. So I'm left right now with 12. And so now I'm going to go back and I'm going to compare 3 and 12. And 3 goes into 12 4 times, and then 4 times 3 is actually 12. So if I subtract, I don't have any remainder, so I'm done. And my final answer there is 0.94, so I can write it as 0.94. That's okay in this course, or I could put the 0 in front of the decimal point and put it as 0.94. So either way, but once again, I probably would not spend the time to divide this by hand. I would actually take this and plug it into my calculator to see what's the answer would be.